have chicken and bacon at home, you need to try this recipe. Start by adding a drizzle of olive oil to a large frying pan over medium heat. Then add 600 grams of chicken breast cut into small cubes. To season, add half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of sweet paprika, a pinch of black pepper, and sauté until all the water is released from the chicken. When this happens, add a medium onion cut into small cubes, 3 crushed garlic cloves, cook for 4 minutes. This is the ideal point. Turn off the heat and set aside. Then, in another frying pan over medium heat, add 400 grams of diced bacon. Fry until golden brown. This is the ideal point. Remove it from the pan and put it in a blender. Add 300 grams of heavy cream, 2 tablespoons of cream cheese, and blend until smooth. Let me know in the comments which city or country you're watching this from. I want to send you a big hug and thank you for sharing this recipe. This is the ideal point. Add this cream to the frying pan with the chicken. Mix well to combine. I hope you're enjoying this delicious recipe. Don't forget to share it with your friends, as this will help us get even further. Add 200 grams of sliced mozzarella and cook until the cheese is melted. To finish, add August parsley and small cubes of fried bacon. And our recipe is ready. You can serve and enjoy. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Now I'm going to go back to the comments and keep replying to everyone who left the name of their town, and thank you for sharing this recipe. Until the next time, a big kiss, bye.